You may have questions about planning your estate. Here are some quick answers. What is an estate plan? An estate plan is the name for legal documents that help you provide for your children and pets, manage your finances and property, and govern your health care if you're unable to make your own decisions. What documents do I need for my estate plan? What you need depends on your unique circumstances. Most people will be able to address their needs with a will, a financial power of attorney, and a living will and health care directive. What is the difference between a will and a living will? A will states your wishes for what happens to your estate, children, and pets after your death. It determines who should get what property. That's different from a living will, which gives instructions for your end-of-life care. What does a living will and healthcare directive do? If you want to make your healthcare wishes known and choose someone to make decisions for you, when you cannot communicate these instructions yourself, you need a healthcare directive and living will. What does a financial power of attorney do? A financial power of attorney appoints someone to manage your finances for you, like pay your bills, when you can't manage them yourself. Do I really need a will if I'm not wealthy? Everyone can benefit from having a will. If you die without a will, your state's laws will determine who gets your property and what happens to your children and pets. If you want to make those decisions for yourself, you need a will. Can I do my own estate plan, or do I need an attorney? Most people can create their own estate plan by answering a few simple questions in our guided process. FindLaw's legal forms and services include step-by-step instructions for customizing and finalizing all your documents. You come away with forms that are specifically tailored to your situation and your state's legal requirements. Get started on FindLaw.com today.